vlog, and today we're going to be making some clay pencil grips. So let's get to it. What we need is clay, of course. And then we have this big giant packet of clay. Really cool, so yeah. And then we have this pencil that we're going to be using for the pencil grip. You're going to be using this colour too. If we have time at the end, we might do this, but let's see. Up into little lines. Now we're going to take some like this. We're going to mix them together. Oh, the first bit of the pencil is done. Now we're going to do the grip of the pencil. Put them together. Put it on the pencil. So now we're going to make a star. So you have to put all the pieces together to make a star. Wrap this red thing around the pencil. Start on top of the pencil, so right here. What was my best one so far? Because these did not turn out well. Put this in the bag with all the rest. Guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!